Roll up a back with a black stout, mixed with alien smoke till I pass out. If I see it, I want my last shout. Because you give a fuck if it's taxed out. It's been 40, I'm towing this mad loud. Shoot it out, could have popped and I dash out.
Yeah, I need an 8mm socket and an 8mm wrench. Tighten this. You're still on the phone.
What's the thing you're trying to tighten?
Nigga, my thing, it's just loose. Make sure you watch it for 12, man. You sitting here looking silly. Damn, I can't even touch
But
this.
you see all the bitches that was right there to the right?
Yeah, we going right back. Now I damn near feel like I need fucking gas. You got 2 smoke in here? Nah, they mixed up already?
Oh no, I don't got no.
Nah, I don't need gas.
I got the oil.
Man, I shouldn't have changed the fucking jets in this bitch. Hold on, let me get a chill pill right quick, my dog.
Chill? What?
You ain't rode today. I rode all fucking day. Let me get a chill pill right quick. Damn! Now I missed it. I'm picking up some love. You feel me, dog? I'm dancing.
I'm saying we could go over there, like sit on the bikes in the mix type.
I don't think that's a good idea, Tom.
If you're scared, just say that, man.
I'm scared. It's like, nah, I ain't scared. This is...
I want to water, bro. I know they got waters over there.
What'd you do with that water I gave you? Let me get it.
Say I want to fucking. Oh, they got ice cold water over there.
Oh, I know what they got, my boy.
If I go over there though, it's over. Cause that line is long as fuck.
I'm saying, if you're not finna get me shit, don't even worry about it, big dog.
Man, we can split a Dippin' Dot, man.
Bro, the line's stupid long, man.
The line is dumb long, so if I go over there, it's over.
Where's the line even at?
Nigga, right there.
Oh, I'm not waiting in that shit.
My name's Dory.
For sure. Oh, camping? Nah, ain't no bando. Look. Damn, I missed it. Ready?
Post my bike up and go over there, but then at the same time I don't.
You can post it up right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna see the cops blow down on you. You gonna gas it up out of this bitch. My bike gonna be leaning against the thing.
Stop trying to get off that shit. I'm trying to go all the way down.
Nice bike.
Appreciate it.
Nah, he's talking about mine.
Which one are you talking about, man? So you know what a Banshee is.
Oh yeah, I ride at home. I used to race too.
Where you live at? Texas?
No, my girlfriend is from Texas.
Oh.
I'm from like Worcester.
What?
From Worcester.
It's like South Akron.
Oh.
I got an LTR at home, so
Oh,
I
yeah.
haven't seen one of those too. I got a buddy that has a Quadzilla sitting in his garage right now.
That's nice.
500s?
Yeah.
That's nice.
I can't wait till he gets that back together. Nice
Yes,
bike.
sir. Thank you.
Hey, that nigga said I was talking about the Banshee, like the 125 was just ass or something.
Hey, it might be. I don't
You
know.
hear how he said it, bro? He said like that
Nah.
125 ain't shit. Like I see
Nah,
about
not that 1-2
like I
fizzle.
see about 5 of them bitches every time I go to the track.
That nigga said not that buck and a squirrel, that 3 fishy over there.
When they first came out, motherfuckers was tipping them over and fucking hitting
Yeah.
them and shit like that. They was out here when it was snowing still.
For real?
See, it's like 8 wheels on that bitch. Look.
What is that old ass nigga doing on campus, man? Gotta sit in the back now. Ready? You want me to take you back here? You alright? What?
That was fun.
Yep. You want to?
So fun.
You want one?
That was so fun. I'm so scared. No, it's fine. Okay, how am I supposed to get on this thing? Just, oh,
Come from this side.
okay.
Yep, just like that.
I just hold on to it.
Yeah, screw back a little
Where I
bit.
put my